Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to cancel and refund order on Stockx. So let's get into the video. So open up Stockx. So once you're on Stockx, log into your account. You need to be logged into your account. So once you've already logged into your account, so what we're going to do now is go to your profile on your top right, click on your profile option. So when you click on your profile option here, so once you get to this page here, so on your left side here you will see buying option. Click on buying. So when you get to buying here, this will list all your items that you have bought so far. So your previous order, your pending ones, and your current ones. So if you click on current, so if you click on your current order here, select the order that you wish to cancel. So I have none here because I don't have any active orders. So just select the order that you wish to cancel and then simply select it and hit on the cancel button, and then review it and just confirm the cancellation. So if your order has not been shipped, so your order will be cancelled and the refund will be automatically initiated to your original payment account. So however you made the payment. So it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. So suppose if your order has been shipped already, then you won't be able to cancel the order anymore, but you have to wait till you get the item and then claim for a refund. You have to return the order and claim for a refund. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.